Hi everyone, good evening. কেমন আছো সবাই? আজকে a new place, new destination and definitely a very new brand has come to Kolkata and we are here to cover it. Let's take a look. So the name of the brand is Broccoli Pizza and Pasta. As you can see, so this is located at Salt Lake and I'm going to enter and I'm going to show you how this place looks. Thank you so much. This is my first outlet. Take a look. Very neat, very nicely done. A little about the brand, but first let's take a look at the open kitchen. This is the semi-open kitchen, which means the food that is being made for you can be seen here. We have the oven here, we have chef here. The complete look from here. Okay, so a little about the brand. We are at Broccoli Pasta and Pizza. এখানে সবাই মাস্ক পরে আছে বলে আমি মাস্কটা খুলছি। This is a Dubai-based brand launched in 2011 and this is the first time it has made entry into Kolkata. City Center 1 একদম Bata বা petrol pump এর opposite Bata same footpath is Broccoli Pizza and Pasta. It's a pizza and pasta chain coming in from Dubai and it is existing in approx 6 countries and has over 105 outlets, of which we are very lucky to have one in Kolkata. দুটো outlet Kolkata start হয়েছে, একটা City Center 1, একটা City Center 2. City Center 1 is the bigger one. Once again, take you around the outlet. Look at that, very brightly lit, very nice place. Absolutely beautifully done in shades of brown and white. এক উইকই হয়েছে ওপেন হয়েছে and of course guests are coming in. হ্যাঁ, এটা ফ্র্যাঞ্চাইজি আউটলেট, to be many more. এটা ছাড়া হায়দ্রাবাদে এক্সিস্টেন্স রয়েছে. Now a little about the menu. Here, of course, we get pizza and pasta here, but there is variation and there is a speciality here about the pasta to begin with. As you can see, this is not a regular pasta, it's a baked dish. So they're cooking it first and then they're baking it for you in lots of cheese. And look at the quantity. You order one and 3 people can easily share this amongst themselves. So this is the big pasta from Broccoli Pizza and Pasta, and it is served in a beautiful white bowl and not your usual disposable plates that you see. In the pizza they have 3 sizes, of which 2 are on display here. This is a regular pizza and the other one that you see is the mid-size pizza. We have 2 variations again. This is the chicken dominator. This has sausages, meatballs, all chicken based, and this one is a spicy chicken pizza, the smaller one. And in addition to that, they also have some quickly whipping up salads here. This is a Caesar salad. If you want, you can club it into a non-veg Caesar salad. Again, the name of the brand is Broccoli. You can order this online. They are available for delivery on Swiggy. The app is getting developed. In a week or so you will be able to order directly on the Broccoli app itself. And what I love about this place is of course the openness, the hugeness. You can come in with family, sit here, enjoy, order, and while you're waiting for your food, actually watch your food getting ready. So this is the pizza station that you see here. Chef is whipping up one here and they're putting it into that oven. The ones that are getting ready there. This is your pasta counter. Everything is happening in front of your eyes, right? Small details being taken care of quality wise. The dough is being made here. They're flattening the dough here. Everything is made in-house, from the pasta sauce to the pizza sauce. Everything is being done in this kitchen here. No frozen items. You have to try the chicken wings here. In terms of size, quantity, taste, sauce, everything is just perfect. And few more important items to be must ordered. One from the dessert that really caught my attention was the Nutella pizza with strawberries, and the other one is the chicken pepperoni. They're calling it rolls. The menu, they're calling it the chicken pepperoni rolls right here. This one, This is an absolute new dish for me as well. I'm looking forward to trying this, and they have a breakfast menu as well. Sunny side up, scrambled eggs, Italian baked eggs and Italian omelette. So if you are a breakfast person, they have options for you as well here. This is the complete range of quesadilla, pizza, desserts, breakfast, appetizers, beverages, pastas and pizzas. Huge options for you to choose from. And I'll also give you an idea about the price range. The regular ones start from 200 or so, going up to 500 or so, and large size. It's absolutely wow and must try, because like I said, no frozen here. Even the dough is being made in-house, flattened in front of you and then baked. So of course there is a quality difference. It's softer, it's tastier. This is the medium size and this is the small size. The name of the brand again, Broccoli Pizza and Pasta. Few more must orders, like I said, is chicken wings, the chicken pepperoni rolls, and one final look at the kitchen before we sign off. Here you are. I absolutely loved how open it is. You know, you can see your food being made. What can be more amazing than that? This is the one I am excited to try. This is the chicken pepperoni roll. Very different from our usual pizza menus that you see. And of course, some fresh mojitos are being available in 4 different kinds of flavors. Point about your pasta is you can choose your choice of pasta. They have ribbons, they have penne, they have spaghettis. They have 2 kinds of sauces, white, red, the usual. You can choose your choice of pasta, which I personally really like because I'm not a big fan of spaghetti. I really prefer penne over that. So I'm excited. Yes, it does look very unique, pepperoni roll, and it's worth a try. Like I said, the price range is also very nice, very affordable. If a family of 4 is coming in, their quantity for one is huge. It can be easily shared amongst 3 people. I'm excited to try what's on the table. USPs, once again, baked pasta, the size of pizzas, salads. You can add chicken too. I prefer having veg Caesar salad, so I ordered one for myself. So this is at City Center 1. Ekdom parking er mukhe khuleche Broccoli Pizza and Pasta. This is a Dubai-based brand making first entry in Kolkata with their first outlet at City Center 1. The second one in Kolkata is at City Center 2. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's live as much as I enjoyed bringing this to you, because every time a new brand comes to Kolkata, we have to, you know, talk about it and bring the news to you guys. And please come down, enjoy it. I hope you have a good experience because everything looks really positive here with the price, quantity, quality. Looking forward to trying it, and I'll surely share some more pictures. Till then, thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Everybody here is wearing a mask. The chef is wearing a head cap, gloves, everything. I opened it just for the live. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week, everyone. Bye-bye. Good night. Broccoli Pizza and Pasta to open from 11 until 11. The breakfast menu is available, which is so rare for a pizza and pasta serving restaurant, right? And there is dining, of course. So all positives. See you at Broccoli Pizza and Pasta, City Center 1. Bye-bye.